Hey, in case you missed it, change has come to the housing market. Prices are up, but demand down. Margie's in Studio X to see what's going on. Margie.
Yeah, Ty. Well, it's been, a seller's market for quite some time now. In fact, with many folks selling their homes for well above the asking price. And this morning, we are joined by Kathy Helbig-Strick. She's here to talk about the latest twists when it comes to the St. Louis housing market. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Yeah, so things are starting to shift a little bit.
Yes, they've been shifting for a little while now, but we're also going into that normal time of the year where we have a little bit of slowdown since St. Louis is seasonal anyway. So just wanted to remind people that there are still buyers out there. Surprisingly, there's more and more sellers coming on the market right now. So after, this two almost 3-year run of tight inventory, we're starting to see more inventory come on, maybe because sellers are feeling like they have options to go to now. But then the buyers are kind of being held back a little bit by interest rates. So I wanted to definitely let buyers know that there are options out there. There's things that you can do to lower your rate temporarily, like a 2-1 buy down. So don't let rates completely stop you. Use this time to get out there and get into a better position to negotiate with more inventory on the market.
Where are we in terms of negotiations? I mean, for a while there, they'd barely get to an open house and they had a ton of offers.
Well, we're actually starting to see an old phrase called days on the market come back in.
Right.
So there are definitely houses that are having days on the market, which what that means for a buyer is you might not necessarily have to do as hardcore negotiations as what we were seeing just a few months ago. For sellers, it doesn't mean that you're in a bad market. For sellers, you have to remember that you've got almost 3 years worth of crazy appreciation that you have banked in your house right now. So you've got a lot of equity in your house. Just because you may not be in a position to now get $100,000 over asking price doesn't mean that you're not still in a great position to sell your home.
Yeah, probably the most asked question to you is it a buyer's market or a seller's market?
It depends. We're kind of a mixed bag in St. Louis, and so you're getting confusing stories out there because you'll see realtors posts of multiple offers and still sold, and you're like, wait a minute, I thought it was slowing down. Right. But then on the other side, there's pockets of houses that are not moving. So sellers still have to get their houses prepared. Don't price to lagging indicators. Price to leading indicators. That means what's average days on the market right now? What's on inventory? What are they priced at currently? If you're looking at comps from just a few months ago, those houses went under contract a few months before that. So that information is old data. You need to be pricing and looking at the data that's happening right now.
That's a really good point because you're going to say, well, my neighbor sold their house, mine's similar for this amount a few months ago. Don't go off of that.
Not the same market.
All right, that is good to know. When do you hire a realtor and when do you go, I think I can do this on my own?
Never, no.
Right?
No, seriously, there is so much more to it than people realize. They think, especially coming off the market that we did, sure, you can throw a sign in the yard and find a buyer, absolutely. But the real work and the real experience comes in after that, really. So it's keeping the deal together, negotiating the best win-win for everybody, navigating inspections, navigating appraisals. Appraisals are going to be an issue probably coming up here soon. If you don't have an experienced realtor that knows how to navigate that path, if your appraisal comes in lower than your purchase price, you're probably going to leave tens of thousands of dollars on the table.
So appraisals are a big thing to look at. Inspections are big as well, right?
Inspections are big. Inspections are back. But appraisals are probably going to be something that we haven't dealt with in a while. But now that we're having the market kind of shift a little bit, we're probably going to have some conservative appraisals come in, even though buyers are still willing to pay a little bit higher for certain houses right now. So that could be a challenge keeping that deal together. If you try to navigate that yourself, it's probably not going to turn out too well.
Well, and you could also land in a lawsuit. I mean, there's all kinds of things that could happen.
Yes.
Absolutely. All right, Kathy Helbig-Strick, thank you so much for being with us.
You.
We definitely appreciate it.